It's using the internet as a platform to bring people together, businesses and consumers.
Web 2.0 is cool.
It's just a lot more work, but hopefully it'll make us some more money.
Web 2.0 is my web, not your web.
Web 2.0 is for those people who couldn't make a 4.0. That's it.
Just a fad.
Web 2.0 is the emperor's new clothes.
Widgets, gadgets, and social networking.
Web 2.0 comes after Web 1.2.
Series of technologies that allow people to interact.
Web 2.0. Overused and outdated.
Web 2.0 is kind of the next generation of usability. This is the AJAX kind of enhanced usability, and it's also UGC. So there are sites that are doing one, there are sites that are doing the other, and there are sites that have done a really good job, like YouTube, of effectively combining both of them.
It is that crazy thing that comes before Web 3.0.
I mean, to me, Web 2.0 is about conversations. What you want to say is entirely up to you, but the other part of the equation is what your customers want to say to you.
It's people. It's just people.
Web 2.0 is the next generation of web usability for websites as applications to really make websites functional rather than just information portals. Make them as applications. That's Web 2.0.
To me, Web 2.0 is a snake eating its own tail. I think a good example of that would be, me talking about YouTube on YouTube.
Web 2.0 is a multifaceted tool that you can do almost anything with.
I believe I would describe it as the next generation of internet capabilities, a technology that allows the web to be a lot more interactive so that the consumers and the visitors coming into a website can have a real-time interaction with that business.
Web 2.0 is about giving people control of the content they see online.
Web 2.0, it's a bunch of hype.
2.0, from my understand, this is the internet number 2, which is basically just like internet number 1 except without the porn.
Never a dull moment.
Web 2.0, I think it's like a grammar program. I think it's, so 2.0. It's better than 1.0, I know that. Beyond that, I'm looking forward to 3.0.
Isn't that the guitar player for that band, 2U?
I think Web 2.0 means is that consumers, more than manufacturers or service providers, finally have a say into how products are given to them, how services are delivered to them, and they get more satisfaction out of actually consuming them.
Web 2.0 is all about new technologies and all the excitement that is being brought to the web today to help consumers online.
Web 2.0 was hot last year, and so it's passé. We're on to Web 3.0.
So I think the essence of Web 2.0 is putting your customers in control. So giving them a voice and the technologies that enable you to do that. For them to take control of the shopping experience, personalize it, segment according to folks that look like them, and truly engage them via your site through community type tools, etc.
Web 2, it's all about the social network, baby.
How would I describe Web 2.0? It's about building communities, about social networking. It's about users creating their own environments online and deciding what they want, how they want to experience the internet. Yeah.
Describe Web 2.0. A chance for our customers to interact with our brand in ways we couldn't even imagine.
It's just interactive web. Web 2.0 is like Web 1.0, only one version higher.
A marketer, Web 2.0 is all the cool little gadgets, social networks, shared content, those kind of things. If you're more in the technology world, it's the backbone of the internet and how it's going to change to accommodate the increased bandwidth that we'll need going forward in the future.
It's not blogs, it's not wikis, it's none of that stuff. It's whatever's next. It's social, but it's implied. It's not explicit.
It's a two-way communication, so it's not I push my marketing stuff and you're supposed to buy it, but it's more about creating a communication with your customer and being able to understand them and make sure you will deliver the right content to them, or service, or information.
From everything I've heard, Web 2.0 is community content, user-generated content,
and anything they can do to sell new features for today.
Web 2.0. Web 2.0 is a conundrum that they gave as a challenge to mathematicians. They had a concept of Web 1.0, and then they later came up with another concept of Web 3.0, and it seemed to be something missing from the whole thing. And then finally, they hit upon the whole idea of Web 2.0 to connect Web 1.0 and Web 3.0, and that worked very well.
Web 2.0 to me basically is the next evolution of the web, which includes social marketing.
Web 2.0 is Web B.S.
Web 2.0, re-emerging, refining, dialing things in, getting the most of everything.
1.0 is all about experts, making websites and developing websites. 2.0 is let the community control the website. The experience, the content, and how you find stuff, that's Web 2.0.
I think it's the next generation of the internet where there's a lot of interaction.
Web 2.0 is user-generated content.
What we're really talking about is what do the customers want? So it's not about just building a website and trying to get it to do what you want. It's about trying to figure out what your customers want and really engaging customers with one another, hearing what the customers have to say. That's Web 2.0.
Before, internet was more electronic, and now the internet is becoming human, so it means for me humanizing and giving the power to the consumer and to the human being.
Web 2.0 is about going to the next generation with the web and not making it just about what you want to tell your customers, but giving customers what they want to hear.
Web 2.0 is about video and other things that don't necessarily translate into ordinary ways of doing business.
Fresh, shiny, clean, functional.
Blogosphere.
Yes. Blogosphere.
Web 2.0 is all about appealing to people's human side. So everyone's sick of just general corporate speak and not having any true interaction with people. So Web 2.0 is a way to get really personal and human.
Using your website to find really pretty girls easier than you ever have before. That's all I know.
Web 2.0 to me is the use of advanced visualization techniques to enhance the consumer experience.
Web 2.0 is fabulous internet interactivity.